Did you know that 1 in 3 cancers can be prevented by some simple changes in your lifestyle, including your diet and nutrition? Hi, I'm Debbie Sadify, and welcome to our series, Proving Cancer Strategies Revealed 90 Days to Cancer Resilience. Today, we are focused on the basics of plant-based lifestyle and nutrition, and this is something that can boost your overall health and prevent cancer. And if you're someone going through treatment, this applies to you too. One of the simple ways that we can make some lifestyle changes is to swap out our junk food. Yes, that's our chips and our cookies, and you know what it is, for some fruit. It might sound like something really simple, but it's not always easy to do. I know firsthand. And to help to do that, here are some tips for you. First of all, remove those unhealthy snacks, that junk food, from your pantry altogether. Keep some variety of fruits visible and accessible for you to snack on. Don't hide them in the corner of the fridge where you can't see them. And prepare them in advance for quick snack. If you don't cut them up and wash them, then you're less likely to eat them when you're ready for a snack. So simple. Let's get started on this journey of resilience together. Follow along for more daily tips and inspiration. We'll see you tomorrow for day 2. And don't forget to share and follow for more daily tips on our journey to cancer resilience.